Optimal feed quality is a special task for livestock farms. In addition to healthy livestock, however, the main concern is profitability. And that's what I want to talk about with Marius today. Marius, what solutions do we have in place for this in this area specifically?
Hello Heiner, we have been using HarvestLab technology for over 15 years. Our lab on the go. We can use the whole thing on the forage harvester, on the slurry tanker, or like here directly at the barn.
Marius, how is all this being used in practice by customers in the livestock production system?
Keeping with the forage harvester, I can measure ingredients there during harvesting and specifically document subplots.
And then everything is digitally documented in the display and automatically transferred to the operations center where it is assigned to the correct field. Based on this, I can then make better agronomic decisions, especially when it comes to fertilization.
Fertilization is a very good keyword, Heiner. If I take the ingredient protein, I can create an as-applied map from it for the further procedure with a few clicks in the operations center.
What else can I use the HarvestLab for?
If we return to harvesting, I can automatically set the length of cut on the basis of dry matter because I want to have the best possible ensiling processes here. On the other hand, I can tell by the ingredients like crude ash how good the quality of the feed is that I put into my silo. Or in other words, as a contractor, I can document my good and clean work quality for my customers.
This means that we could use the HarvestLab to analyze a feed sample right here in the barn. Can you perhaps show us this?
Of course. I'm going to get a quick feed sample here, though normally I would get it straight from the silo.
So now you start the process?
Exactly. We can measure the ingredients anytime, anywhere we want, and we get our results immediately here on the screen. It all works for corn and grass silage.
Okay, Marius, let's take a look at the results. What does the system say?
For example, we have 29% dry matter here for our ensiled corn silage, our raw fibres are there, ADF, NDF, the raw ash mentioned earlier, and now we can print the whole thing out.
Now that was easy. What can we do with the data?
Compared to the laboratory, I can see the energy content, the ingredients and dry matter at a glance anytime and can adjust my feed ration on a daily basis.
Let me quickly summarize the advantages of the HarvestLab technology. The entire cycle is optimized, that is, from harvesting to feeding and fertilization. This means increased milk production, improved meat production, but most importantly, healthy livestock. HarvestLab 3000 is what I call a smart solution.